Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. I just wanted to let you know, I'm talking about my block party, this is Saturday morning. I'm rushing out. Actually, I'm rushing out to the computer store. My computer is being upgraded from an all-in-one to a big tower and stuff. Anyway, I have to go to the computer store today to get my computer all upgraded and switched over and everything. So it might be out for the next few days or not. It may be back today. So I'm just saying, for my block party on Sunday afternoon, don't look for it Sunday. If it's there, it'll be a bonus. Maybe they can do it today. It's going to take me too long. I'm rushing out today to upload it. So the next few days, block number 16. Look out for it. It may be Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. I'm sorry about that, but we have to get my computer up and running, my new computer. I'm getting a new computer. I got a new camera. I'm not using my new camera. I'll show you. My new camera is this little one. It's really nice. I think I've told you this before. I've gotten a new camera. This is a Canon G7X Mark II. Nice little camera. You think, nice little camera, right? I'm not computer savvy. I'm not tech savvy. I'm getting there. But this thing, I'm thinking, oh, a little point and shoot. I just wanted it to focus a little bit better. That's all. You need a PhD to understand this. I'm looking in this book. It's this thick. And I'm trying to do my movies on it. The reason it takes like half hour, 45-minute movies, which is nice. That's the whole point. That camera shuts off. So anyway, I'm trying to figure out my little camera. I'm going to be taking this one, and I think I'll take my backup, because that takes really nice pictures, my Nikon, to the quilt show. I'm going to the quilt show next Saturday, a week from today. So this is my little camera. Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. It's hard. But I'm just recording on this. So anyway, block 16, maybe Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. I'm not quite sure. Bear with me. I'm trying to get my computer up to date. My kids are like, "Oh, you need a better system." I need a simpler system. I tell you, all of this. Oh, you got to simplify. And I'm thinking, but to me, simplifying. It's like televisions. It's like I was raised in there where you go and you push a button. Now you can't even find the button. You can't even find a button. They're like, oh, you have to push this bottom. You know, it may or may not go off, because like if I lose the remote, anyway. All of this technology. I'm out of here. I got a busy day, got a busy weekend this coming up. So block party, just hold your horses. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. Thanks for your understanding, folks. Have a good day. Bye.